to a nightingale by John Keats. My heart aches, and a drowsy numbness fades. My sense, as though of hemlock I had drunk, or emptied some dull opiate to the dregs.
Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
1 minute passed, and liquors had sunk. This is not true envy of thy Babylon, but being too happy in thine happiness, that thou, like winged bridal trees, in some melodious cloud, of beach and green and shadows numberless, singers of summer and full jollitities. Oh, for a drought of vintage that hath been cold, a long age in the deep delved earth, gazing of Dora and a country breeze, dance and provincial song and sunbird mirth. Oh, for a beaker full of the warm south, full of the true, the bashful hypocrite, with beaded buckle swinging at the wind, and purple saying mouth, that I might drink, and leave the world unseen. Indeed, fade away into the forest deep, fade far away, dissolve, and quiet forget.
Tis not true, down among the leaves has never known the weariness, the fever, and the fret. Here, where men sleep,
And here is other grown.
where body shakes a few, sad, last gray hairs, where youth grows pale, and speculative, and dies, where body seems to be full of sorrow, and livid eye despair, where beauty cannot keep her lustrous eyes, where you love find a them beyond tomorrow.
Away, away.
For I will fly to thee, not charioted by Bacchus and his farce. But on the viewless streets of Poesy, to the dull brain of Rex and stars.
Already with thee, tender is the night, and happy the freedom as in our throne. But here there is no light, save what from heaven is within the braces glow, through wondrous globes and winding mossy ways.
I cannot see what the flowers are at my feet, nor what soft incense hangs upon the box. But in wild darkness, yes, each sweet, where breathe the seasonable mats and doves, the grass, the thicket, and the fruit tree white, white hawthorn and the pastoral eglantine, fast fading violets covered up with leaves, and midway selfless child, the coming mass rose, full of dewy wine, the murmurous hand of light of summer leaves. Darkly I listen,
And for many a time, I have been trapped in love with peaceful death, called in softness in many amusing times, to take in the air my quiet breath. Now more than ever seems this sweet to die, to seize upon the midnight with no pain, while thou art pouring thy soul abroad in such an ecstasy. To thy high requiem becomes sad.
thou wast not born for death, immortal birth, no hungry generation tread thee down. The voice I hear this waxing night was heard, in ancient days by emperor and clown. Perhaps the self-same song that found the ground. Through the sad heart of Ruth, when seek for home, she stood in tears amid the elding thorn. Sing that long time's heart, her magic casements, opening the home of various seas. He heard that corridor, the very word is like a bell, to call me back from thee to my soul's self. Adieu, the fancy cannot cheat so well, as she is paid to do stealing hell. Adieu, adieu, the plaintive anthem fades, past the near needles, over the steel stream.
Up the hillside, and now this very deep,
The desert
was it a vision or a waking dream? Fled. Is that music? Do I wake or sleep?
Oh, to a nightingale,